Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you cash in to your GCash account. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. Step 1. Launch the GCash app. First things first, grab your phone and open the GCash app. It's your one-stop shop for all things money. Once you're in, look for the Cash In button on the home screen. It's like the magic key to topping up your wallet. Tap it and you're off to the races. Step 2. Pick your bank. Now you'll see a bunch of cash-in options, but let's make it quick and easy by going with online banks. Scroll to the online banks category and choose a bank you've already linked to your GCash account. Don't have a linked bank yet? No stress. You can easily connect one in just a few taps by following the app's prompts. Step 3. Enter the details. Here's where the magic happens. Type in the amount you want to add to your GCash wallet, whether it's a little top-up for daily essentials or a bigger amount for that online shopping spree. Double-check the amount, fill in any other required info like your bank account details if needed, and hit next. You're almost there. Step 4. Celebrate your success. Boom, you did it. Once the transaction is processed, you'll get a confirmation message via text or in the app, letting you know your wallet's loaded and ready to roll. It's that simple. Now you're all set to pay bills, shop online, or even treat yourself to something special, and that's it. You are done.